Fefdy.
Two-digit numbers.
Wow, Auntie, this place looks beautiful with colorful birds flying around.
Kids, let's see how many creatures can you spot in this forest.
I can see 22 eagles flying around.
I can see 36 colorful parrots.
That's really amazing, children. Now let's add them together.
But Auntie, those are two-digit numbers. How do we add them?
That's easy, Latif. We'll arrange them vertically and add them by their place value. We'll add them vertically starting from right to left, that is, from ones place and moving on to tens place. Now Danush, tell me, in the numbers 22 and 36, what are the digits in the ones place?
It's 2 and 6.
Now Fern, can you tell me the numbers in the tens place?
Sure, Auntie. It's 2 and 3.
Let's add those numbers using our fingers.
Oh, can we add using our fingers?
Yes, Latif, that's pretty easy. Raise 2 fingers and raise another 6 fingers and count them together. So let's add the ones please. 2 plus 6 is 1, 2, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now move on to tens place. Raise 2 fingers on one hand and 3 fingers on another, and let's count them together. 2 plus 3. 1, 2, after 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we get 58. So we have spotted 58 creatures in this forest. Now let's see an example of adding